Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy A25 tips and tricks for beginners, especially for you who have just bought this phone. Okay, let's get started guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to focus on how we can customize our phone to make it more aesthetic. Okay, first thing first, we need to go to the Samsung Galaxy theme. You can open up your settings and then go to the themes, this one. And here you'll be able to get a bunch of wallpapers, icons, and a phone theme for free. You just need to go to the search menu and then search for the category you want to get. For instance, I'm going to select sky category. You can type in sky and then there will be a lot of results for you and you can get it for free. Just go to this option and select top 3 and there will be free themes, wallpaper, or icons you can download. And this is for the themes category. And you just need to click on the theme that you like and then just click on download and you'll be able to apply the theme to your Samsung Galaxy phone. And same with wallpapers, you just need to go to the wallpapers category and search for the type of the wallpaper you want to get. And I'm just going to select city light. Okay, and folder it. You can select top 3 and just select the wallpaper that you like. And same with the icons, just go to the icons and then you're gonna type in the category like this and just tap on the icon you want to apply and download it. Then you will be able to apply it to your phone. And here I'm just going to go to my item. Here I have downloaded some wallpapers, icons, and themes. And I'm going to change my wallpaper. I'm going to select this one, guys. And here we can choose where to apply. We can apply it to lock screen and home screen wallpaper, or just one of them, like this. And I'm going to apply this wallpaper to lock screen and home screen. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, and before we apply this wallpaper to the lock screen and home screen, we'll be able to customize our lock screen, guys. So this is the preview of my lock screen. You can change the clock style right here. You just need to tap on it. And for instance, I'm going to choose this one. You can also move it to any part that you want. And you can also change the color of the clock. I'm going to select this one, and for the font as well, you can change it. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, click on done. Okay, now the wallpaper has been applied to my lock screen and home screen, and I'm going to change my app icons. I'm gonna go to the icons and I'm going to select the icon I have downloaded. So I'm going to select this one, guys. Okay, and then just click on apply. And now as you can see, guys, that my wallpaper and my app icon have been changed and it looks better, right? And I'm going to show you how you can change the theme color on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to the setting and then you can go to the wallpaper and style. And you can apply color palette to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on color palette and activate this feature. And here you can choose wallpaper colors or basic colors. And I'm just going to choose my wallpaper colors. And I'm going to try it one by one. And I'm going to go with this one, guys. And we can click on apply. Alright guys, and that's all the tips and tricks for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.